Hey everybody, Giovanni here. We're making ice cream today with a variation on a recipe I got from this book, Sweet Creams and Sugar Dreams. Sweet cream and sugar cones. First I'm going to use 1 cup of cream and 1 cup of milk. I've already combined that here. And it'll be 2 cups. Perfecto. And what you're going to want to do is warm it up. You can use it in the microwave or over stovetop. I have a milk steamer or milk warmer. Oh, shit. Okay. And just get that started. Alright, next you're going to want to get egg yolks. And to do that, you'll have to separate the eggs from the yolk, from the whites. So, you know, I'm supposed to separate it. Okay, you separate it. That's alright, you can pick it up. If you mess up like that, it's alright. And the idea is you're going to want to volley it back and forth to separate the whites from the yolk. So you're going to want 5 egg yolks. Oh, yep, if you drop it, just pick it back up with the eggshell. If you watch my California bake video, you'll probably think I have no clue how to cook. I'm okay. Okay, well maybe I can't cook all that well. Alright, there you go. Alright. And here, you're going to want to combine half a cup of sugar for the 5 egg yolks. Just pop them in there. You can use all kinds of stuff. I use this whisk and there's nothing special about it, just looks cooler. Regular whisk will do. And you're just going to want to keep on mixing them until it turns about a pale yellow. So it might take a while. Alright, and that's pretty much what you want right there. And the next step is you're going to take your warm milk, make sure it's not too hot because you don't want to cook the eggs. Just to help incorporate it. There's a word for it, I don't know what it is. Oh, I made a little bit of mess. So that's a good amount there. Just so that when you add it all together, it's not too hot. And it doesn't cook your eggs because you don't want any scrambled egg. So, we'll add it to a pot. And incorporates the rest of our milk. Alright. And now we're going to take it to a stovetop to gently and slowly get it up to the proper temperature. Basically until it coats the back of the spoon, and I'll show you that when we come back. And here's how to know when it's ready. This should coat the back of the spoon and not separate. So, I want to put it in a container. And at this point, I'll add a couple of flavorings. Put a little bit of vanilla extract. You can use vanilla beans if you're wealthy. And also, I find that a pinch of salt, a couple of pinches, is really nice to add a little flavor and depth to it. And you want to just combine that. And you want to add the vanilla at the end because you don't want to burn off all that flavor while you're trying to heat it up. So now we're just gently cooling it. And then what I do is I put in an ice bath. So I get ice with some water in it. Now you have the perfect amount of water. Put this in here, right in here. Oh. If you want to speed it up even more, you can put it in the fridge. It'll cool off faster. Alright, if you have the Breville ice cream maker 600 XL, I can show you how to do it on your ice cream machine. Just look at the directions. You don't need a super expensive one. You can use like a Cuisinart or something like that. They generally all work the same. So this could be pre-cooled. Boom, that's all you gotta press and it'll start cooling down. And we'll cancel it just so you don't have to hear it. Well, power. Yeah, have it pre-cooled and we just want to put the bucket in. Close it up. And give it a start. I can choose the consistency here. I can just rotate this knob. Put some pistachios on for a little flavor. And I also like to put some cocoa right on top. And that is vanilla ice cream with pistachios. All right, let's try it out. That's really good. You gotta try this. You should make some at home. Let me know what it's like. And try to share it if you can. All right, thanks for hanging out. Peace.